this was my first trip to Puerto, so everything felt pretty right when we got there. I was really loving it right off the bat. You know, next thing you know, that swell came around and we were pretty prepared for it. We got the jet ski ready. The board that I used for the swell was the same board I used to skimboard in Florida behind a boat down at the beach. David Langer and I, we both went out there and I was on the ski and we were just kind of eyeing up just a nice big interval and a big swell. And our first wave, it was a bomb. And I went left and it ended up being a closeout and it was like the craziest wave of my life. Gobbled me up underwater and next thing you know, I was stuck in a rip for almost maybe 30 and 40 minutes. When I got to the beach, I was pretty shooken up, so I had to kind of keep my cool because we still hadn't gotten any good waves and I was really into what was going on and I was hoping that wasn't the only wave that I was going to get that day. Next thing you know, we just did the same thing that we were doing before in the same spot and ended up finding the one and just everything out in front of it. There was no whitewash. Everything just looked like everything you would ever want. And next thing you know, I just see the whole wave starting to wall up. So I tried to throw a stall up in it and I ended up getting right under the hood, and when I looked up, it was the tallest, brownest, craziest lip of a wave. I had no fin, so the control factor was for sure the most strength I've ever used in my body to hold a line, and I was just all on one rail with my toes on my back foot, just holding, hoping not to fall. The wave started spitting and I had my eyes wide open and I couldn't see a thing. It felt like there was actually sand in the spit, nailing my back. It was almost all feeling at one point because I couldn't see anything. Next thing you know, I'm kicking out the back of the wave, like doing some funny little Superman jump. I just remembered being so happy. Yeah, boy! It was the most unreal moment of my life.